Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today I'll tell you some of the alternative payment methods for to checkout. There is no doubt that to checkout is one of the best payment method, but for some reason like if your country is not supported by to checkout or if your account gets declined, then you can try other payment methods as well. So very first option in our list is Stripe. Stripe is a US based payment gateway that is available in more than 35 countries. Stripe offers a variety of options to support the payment gateway. It supports all major credit cards. What payout options are available on Stripe? Currently, you can withdraw to your bank account, but you also have the option to withdraw to your Payoneer account if you wish to. In order to withdraw in your Payoneer account, you need to enter the global payment details of the currency you wish to get paid into the banking section of your Stripe account. Okay. Now, how to withdraw funds from Stripe? By default, Stripe automatically creates payout of your available account balance based on the schedule specified in your dashboard. The schedule depends upon your country and whether your business operates in the high risk industry. How much Stripe charge for every transaction? Stripe charge 2.9% plus $0.3 for every successful sales. Okay. Also for disputes, disputed amount incur a fee of $15. This fee is fully refunded if the customer bank resolves it in your favor. And the next option we have is Authorize.net. Authorize.net is currently available in more than 33 countries. It is one of the oldest and most trusted payment gateways available for credit card users. Authorize.net online payment system accepts credit cards and electronic checks from websites and deposit funds automatically into your merchant bank account. What payout options are available on Authorize.net? There is a direct bank transfer. How to withdraw funds from Authorize.net? Payouts is automatic and it would take 3 to 5 business days for the funds to be deposited into your bank account. How much Authorize.net charge for every transaction? The three packages and transaction fee incurred by to checkout upon successful transactions are as follows. Okay, for all-in-one option package, they charge 2.9% plus $0.3 per transaction. For payment gateway only package, they charge $0.1 per transaction plus daily batch fee of $0.1. For enterprise solution package, the pricing is tailored pricing. And the third option in our list is PayPal. PayPal is the most commonly used payment gateway for e-commerce stores. PayPal is popular in more than 200 countries. It accepts popular credit cards like Visa card, MasterCard, American Express, Citibank and more. To integrate PayPal with e-commerce store, you will need to have a business account with PayPal. Now, what payout options are available on PayPal? Funds can be directly transferred into your bank account. How to withdraw funds from PayPal? There are mainly two kinds of transfer. The first one is standard transfer to linked bank account and the second one is instant transfer with eligible linked debit card or bank account. How much PayPal charge on payouts? PayPal fee are as follows. For standard transfer to linked bank account, they charge zero. The transfer fee is free. For instant transfer with eligible linked debit card or bank account, they will charge 1% of amount transferred with a maximum fee of $10. It means they will not charge more than $10. Now, how much people charge for every transaction? For every sale, a fee of 2.9% of the transaction amount plus a fixed fee based on the currency is charged by PayPal. And the fourth option in our list is SecurePay. SecurePay is all-in-one payments. Accepting payments online is easy with SecurePay, whether it is a startup, small or large-scale enterprise. It supports all major credit cards. What payout options are available on SecurePay? Funds can be directly transferred to a bank account. How much SecurePay charge for every transaction? For domestic card transactions, SecurePay charge 1.75% of transaction value plus $0.3 per transaction. But for international card, SecurePay charge 2.9% of transaction value plus $0.3 per transaction. And the fifth options in our list is Braintree. Braintree is all-in-one payment processing partner for businesses. How to withdraw funds from Braintree? Funds can be directly transferred to a bank account you provided during the during the application process, and you can expect to see them within 2 to 5 business days of your settlement. How much Braintree charge for every transaction? Braintree charge 2.9% plus $0.3 per card or a digital wallet transaction. In the sixth and last option in our list is Coinbase Commerce. Coinbase Commerce allows merchant to accept cryptocurrency payments in Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin. In order to use Coinbase Commerce, you will need to register a free account in Coinbase. You have to go to commerce.coinbase.com and you have to sign up to create the account. What payout options are available on Coinbase Commerce? Currently, you can withdraw balance from your active cryptocurrencies. How to withdraw funds from Coinbase Commerce? To withdraw your funds, log into your Coinbase Commerce account and click on withdraw. Next to the relevant cryptocurrency in the balance section, a modal will pop up with the ability to specify how much you like to withdraw and where you want to withdraw your funds to. How much Coinbase Commerce charges for every transaction? Coinbase Commerce does not charge any fee. However, in order to withdraw any funds you have received, you need to make a network fee to cryptocurrency miners. So these are the next 6 alternative payments gateway to check out. I hope you find the video helpful. If you have any questions, you can write down in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching the video.